I was having issues with my hip and my legs. I can sleep through the night now, which I could not do before.
For a shoulder restriction, she worked on me for about a half an hour, and lo and behold, the pain was gone and I was fully functional.
I had a neck dissection. Prior to working with Chris again, I couldn't hold a glass, I was dropping things. And since then I've been able to gain back use of my hands and be able to not drop glasses in the kitchen.
The reason I was here again was because of my labrum being torn on my left shoulder. After a few sessions, I'm gonna say probably like the first 3 sessions, I started to see or I started to feel less pain in my shoulder, and then I just kept on going, and then it just went away.